Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a speed garage track like Bullet Tooth and Capo Lee. We're going to be looking at the VIP version of Keep It Rollin'. Here's a preview of my remake and what you'll have made if you watch to the end of this video.
Keep it rolling, techers you're not involved in. If I do garage a brand new token, I do the bookings that leave man soaking. Keep it rolling, I'm on the M-way zoning, or I'm abroad and my data's roaming, winning, Capo's battling Omen.
Great, let's firstly start with the vocal. So this vocal is obviously recorded by the rapper Capo Lee. That's not to stop you using any vocal. So if you can't find a rap vocal, you could approach, everyone's got like a local rapper, right? Just say, oh bro, can you send me some vocal stems? He'll have fucking loads that he's got, do you know what I mean? Or again, find a popular rap song you like, whether it's drill, fucking whatever, like ragga. Search it on YouTube and then use LAI to convert it. Rap vocals, you're probably not going to bother with splice because they're going to be probably pretty shit, to be honest. But yeah, just find any vocal you like, rip it, and then drop it on SoundCloud. Done. Great, so now I've discussed the vocals, let's have a look at the respace. Cool, so it's a very fat respace, and I'll get into the sound design in a second. The note's fairly simple. It's just going from E to C to F, and then at the end of the E, we just have it flicked up an octave here, and then back down into the C. So yeah, really simple. And then on the second bit, it doesn't even do the flick up, because if you're doing constant flick up, it's going to sound a bit repetitive. So yeah, this we have that same section, same notes, but without that octave switch. Cool, let's have a look at the sound design then. So it's a preset from the Speed Garage Volume 4 Serum Preset Pack. This pack has over 60 presets making Speed Garage just like the pros. If you want to check it out, then hit the link in the description. Cool, let's now look at how it's made. So firstly, you want to click Initiate Preset. That's going to sort of set it back to default. Turn on the sub. We want a sine wave pitched down by 2 octaves. As you can hear, it's like the real low end. That's where that's coming from. Then we turn oscillator A, go to S2, 80, mother, 32, pitch that down by 2 octaves, and detune by -32. We then turn oscillator B, exact same waveform, pitch it down by 2, but go +32. That way they're going to play against each other. Like you could kind of go with this.
Keep it rolling.
It sounds a bit sort of weird. You need the filter on, so select SAB, and we're running it through that. We put a lot of drives, so 41%, bit of fat, cut-offs at 136. We've also put it on piano mode. That way, if you play a note here, higher, more high end's gonna come in. If you play low, less is gonna come in. So it's sort of moving around with the notes. We've also got this resonance. This is connected to this macro. You can also just drag it up like this if you wanted. But yeah, essentially we're just boosting the fuck out of it, picking a certain resonance, and that's how you get to sort of boom so much. If you got rid of this, it's not going to have that same effect. Cool, if we have a look at the effects, we've got this hyper dimension. The hyper is turned off, but the dimension is on size 50 with a mix at 19. This is just making it a bit wider in the stereo, and then making more stereo, we've got this chorus, 29%. Great, so now we've got the respace. Let's have a look at the drums. So these drums are from Speed Garage Volume 4 Drums Pack. The link for that is also in the description. It's got tons of loops, one-shots, and effects. You can just drag them into your project and make drums just like this. Cool, so the first we have is this top, which is sort of just been chopped down just to the first note. And then we're layering that with another top. With Speed Garage drums, you kind of just want to use top loops and stuff like that, and then add in singular drums after. The reason for this, I'd say, is a lot of the old Speed Garage records were sampled from house and sort of sped up and then layered. So to get that real Speed Garage like energy, you need to be layering your drums. And you could piss around making sort of loops from scratch every time, but it's going to take fucking ages. You're going to end up with like 40 fucking layers. So just use loops. And that pack I mentioned, Speed Garage 4, but all the Speed Garage packs have tons and tons of loops. Each has 50 loops in. So yeah, I've got this top 9 from that Speed 4. Then another top. Can't really hear that last one to be fair, but sort of helps to add a little bit of depth. Then got this ride, then another hat, and of course the kick. I guess the main sound's coming from this, top 2.
The bookings that leave man soaking. Keep it rolling, I'm on the M-way zoning.
Great, thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you next week for another banger. Cheers.